From morning to evening, finding money is a struggle. Whether you're walking in the city or in the countryside, because of money, you have to keep moving forward. Finding money, finding money, anything you can do so that life can be sustainable. But don't forget about happiness. If you don't have money, it can be difficult, it can be disappointing. But remember, money is not everything. An honest and patient heart is the most important. Sometimes you have to work hard. Sometimes you have to think smart. But don't forget about happiness. Money can't guarantee everything. Finding money, finding money, anything you can do so that life can be sustainable. But don't forget about happiness. Money is indeed important, but happiness is more important.